What's something people don't know about junk removal services? Stick around to find out why hiring the pros might just be the best decision you make this year. First up, time saving. Imagine all those weekends spent hauling old furniture and broken appliances to the curb. Junk removal pros do all the heavy lifting for you, leaving you with more time to enjoy your home. Next, let's talk about safety. Lifting heavy items and dealing with potentially hazardous materials isn't just tough, it can be downright dangerous. Professionals have the training and equipment to handle it all safely, so you don't have to worry about a thing. And hey, did you know they can help with eco-friendly disposal? That's right. Junk removal services often recycle or donate items whenever possible. This means less waste in landfills and a greener planet for everyone. Plus, think about the peace of mind. No more stressing over what goes where or how to get rid of that ancient sofa. With the pros, it's all taken care of in one go. So if you're ready to reclaim your space and breathe easier, consider hiring junk removal pros. Your home and your sanity will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and follow for more handy home tips. See you next time.